Margadi month 8th day, Tirupavai Paasuram 8th one, கீழ்வானம் மெல்லென்று எருமை சிறுவீடு மேவான் பரந்தனகான் மிக்குள்ள பிள்ளைகளும் போவான் போகின்றாரைப் போகாமற் காத்து உன்னை கூவுவான் வந்து நின்றோம் கூது கலமுடைய பாவாய் எழுந்திராய் பாடிப் பறைகொண்டு மாவாய் பிளந்தானை மல்லரை மாட்டிய தேவாதி தேவனைச் சென்று நாம் சேவித்தால் ஆவாவென்று ஆராய்ந்து அருளேலோர் எம்பாவாய். In this Paasuram, Andal is waking up a girl who is very dear to Sri Krishna. So she calls her like Koodu Kalamudaya Pavai, and she's telling her the day started, the horizon has become white, and the buffaloes are grazing in the field. They are taking the tender green grass with dewdrops. So they will be there for some time. Then after some time, the cattle will be taken for longer duration of grazing. Now they are allowed to have for shorter time. So she is explaining all that to that girl. And she is calling her again and again to get up and join them. And she says all the other girls are waiting and we are also going for taking bath, you join us. So she is repeatedly calling that girl. And she explains how Krishna killed the Rakshasa Kesi who came in the form of horse. And Krishna opened his mouth wildly and killed him. And Krishna killed the restless two who were sent by Kamsa. So among them, there was Mushtika also. He was also killed by Krishna. She is referring all this to that girl and says, let us go and sing in praise of Devadi Devan Sri Krishna. You will be happy to hear our songs and she will be blessed by him. So let us go and get his blessings. So she is preparing the girl to come for Nonbu. Today's temple is Pandava-Thuda Perumal temple, which is located at Kanchipuram in Big Kanchipuram. This temple is dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu. The temple is constructed in the Dravidian style of architecture. And the main deity here is Lord Krishna. Vishnu is worshipped as Pandava-Thuda Perumal here. And the image of Lord Krishna in Sanctum Sanctorium is 25 feet tall and in sitting form. Alvargal performed Mangalasasanam. So it is one of 108 Divya Desams. They referred this place as Padagam. Peralvar, Bhudattalvar, Tirumeshayalvar, Mangayalvar, they all sang Paasurams in praise of this temple. Inscription in this temple refers this place as Tirupadagam. According to scholars, the image of this in this temple was probably set up for worship even in Sangam age. And Pandava-Thuda Perumal here is with Sri Lakshmi as Rukmini. This place has a Thala Purana. In Mahabharata, after the 14 years of exile, the Pandavas wanted to claim their share, the kingdom. But Duryodhana refused to part with the kingdom. So it was like a war-like situation. To avoid war, Lord Krishna went to Duryodhana's palace on behalf of Pandavas, and he gave a suggestion of giving at least 5 villages to Pandavas. Even that was refused by Duryodhana. And Duryodhana and Saguni had a conspiracy to attack Lord Krishna. So they made a deep pit, and wrestlers were made to sit in that, and they covered the pit with the blankets and kept chair on that for Krishna and asked Krishna to sit on that. Krishna sat on the seat. As they all expected, the chair went in and the wrestlers began to work as per their plan. But they were unable to bear the weight of Krishna, and they were killed by Krishna. Krishna became very angry, and he grew taller and revealed his furious Vishwarupa. Even the blind Dhritarashtra could have this vision for some time, to have the darshan of Vishwarupa Krishna. And Krishna warned them. Krishna told them what would be the consequences. So the Lord became Pandavatuda. So here we can find him in a gigantic form. His crown almost touching the ceiling of the Sanctum Sanctorium. And he keeps his left leg down and right folded, and he is found without any weapon. Janamejaya and Harita Muni did severe penance here to have the darshan of Sri Krishna as Pandavatuda. Their wish came true. This place also has a reputation of the presence of Sri Arulala Perumal Emperamanur, who was earlier known as Yagnamurti. He had debate with Sri Ramanuja for 18 days. Then on the final day, he surrendered himself to Sri Ramanuja and embraced Vaishnavism. Ramanuja named him Arulala Perumal Emperamanur and made him Acharyan for many saints. People who are born in Rohini star visit this temple and worship the Lord here on Wednesdays, Saturdays, Ashtami days, and on 8th day of every month. Rohini Devi worshipped Lord Krishna here and had the hands of Moon Chandra in marriage here. Here Perumal has the power of Vishwapada Yoga. So, Lord Krishna is pressing his feet here with his Vishwapada Yoga powers. So those who do Adi Pradakshanam, the step-by-step walking, and Anga Pradakshanam, will have their 72,000 veins energized and help them overcome any problem in life. And they are blessed with prosperity and good health.